Hello YouTube, I'm Richard from MTX Motors in Hong Kong. Today we're tuning a second generation Bentley Continental Flying Spur with the Audi derived 4-liter BiTurbo V8 rated at 507 horsepower and 660 Newton meters of torque. So we did a base run, then removed the ECU to load the EuroCharged Stage 1 tune. Now this is no other mods, this is strictly software, completely stock car otherwise. And we ran it again on the dyno and it gained 58 horsepower and 188 Newton meters of torque. But this is a very safe tune. So if we were to replace the factory downpipes with high flow units, those numbers will be far greater. The car is now an absolute blast to drive, so if you're looking to add more beans to your Bentley, give us a call. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.